In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view video upload progress on Google Drive. If you've ever wondered exactly where to look to see how far along your video upload is, this walkthrough will make it clear and easy. Start by opening the Google Apps menu. This is the small grid of dots you'll find near the top right corner of most Google pages. Click that grid to open the menu, then choose Drive. This takes you straight into your Google Drive, where you can manage and upload your files. Inside Drive, look to the upper left and click the New button. From the drop-down that appears, select File Upload. Your computer's file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your video is saved, select the video file you want to upload and click Open. The upload will begin immediately. Now here's the key part. Watch the bottom area of the Google Drive window. A small status panel appears there as soon as the upload starts. This panel shows your video's name, a progress bar, and a percentage indicator. Depending on your connection and file size, you may also see an estimated time remaining. As the upload progresses, the bar fills and the percentage climbs, giving you a real-time view of how things are going. If you're uploading a large video or your internet is slower, that's normal. Just keep the tab open and let it work. You can continue using Google Drive or even switch to other tabs while it uploads in the background. For the smoothest experience, avoid closing the browser, signing out, or putting your device to sleep until the upload completes. A stable connection and keeping your computer plugged in can help prevent interruptions. If you start multiple uploads, they'll appear in that same panel at the bottom, each with its own progress bar. On some screens, the panel may appear compact. Simply keep an eye on the bottom right corner to track each file's status. If you don't immediately see the panel, give it a moment. It usually pops up as soon as the upload begins. When your video reaches 100%, the panel will confirm the upload is complete and the file will appear in your Drive. If there isn't enough storage available in your account, Drive will let you know and the upload won't finish, so it's worth ensuring you have space before starting large files. That's all there is to it. Open the Google Apps menu, go to Drive, click New, choose File Upload, pick your video and watch the upload progress at the bottom of the screen. Now you can confidently monitor your video uploads from start to finish.